Text to art. Create stunning images in Photoshop with a single prompt. Adobe has recently introduced a new feature called Generative Fill in Photoshop. This feature allows users to create amazing images just by typing a simple text prompt. Adobe believes that Generative Fill will revolutionize the way people make images and help artists, designers, and photographers unleash their creativity in exciting ways. It's a user-friendly tool that breaks the limits of traditional image editing and offers a seamless experience. Currently, the new tool called Generative Fill by Adobe is only available through the beta version of Photoshop. This means that only a specific group of users can access it for now. While this limited availability might disappoint some people who were excited to try it out, Adobe has actually done this on purpose. They want to gather feedback from users and make improvements to the tool before releasing it to a wider audience. By starting with the beta version, Adobe is creating a collaborative environment where early users can contribute their ideas and suggestions to make Generative Fill even better. Although not everyone can use it right away, Adobe's approach shows their dedication to providing a high-quality tool that meets the needs of Photoshop users. Generative Fill is the world's first co-pilot in creative and design workflows, giving users a magical new way to work. The image that you create can be edited with Photoshop's comprehensive range of tools to create extraordinary results, Adobe said in an official blog post on Tuesday. With this tool, one can add, extend, or remove content from the images, and so in a non-destructive manner. Simple text prompts will deliver realistic results in a matter of seconds. In addition, the tool has the remarkable ability to automatically match the perspective, lighting, and style of the image you create. This means that once you generate an image using the tool, it will analyze the visual elements and characteristics of that image. Based on this analysis, it will then apply the appropriate adjustments to ensure that the newly generated image seamlessly aligns with the perspective, lighting conditions, and overall style of your original creation. This automated matching process simplifies the workflow and helps maintain consistency throughout your artwork, saving you time and effort in manual adjustments. A time-consuming task therefore becomes swift. Photoshop's Generative Fill will be located within a contextual text bar. The bar will appear on the screen each time a selection is made. This exciting addition to the photo editing application offers users easy access to the Generative Fill option. Adobe has a goal of improving user experience in Photoshop by integrating the contextual text bar. This integration aims to make it more convenient and user-friendly for people to access and utilize the Generative Fill feature within the application. The contextual text bar serves as an intuitive interface, allowing users to easily navigate and make the most of the powerful capabilities of Generative Fill. With this integration, Adobe strives to empower users and ensure a seamless and enjoyable experience while creating and editing images in Photoshop. Alternatively, they can try it online, doing so by signing up for Adobe Firefly. Adobe's commitment to innovation ensures that the Emerging Images feature will continuously evolve and improve over time. The Emerging Images feature finds application in various fields including graphic design, advertising, social media content creation, and more. With ongoing advancements in AI technology, users can anticipate further enhancements, refined output, and expanded capabilities to push the boundaries of creative expression.